Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a really quite quick video. I really wanted to bring in some focus on the new Nourish and Flourish kit, which is this one, and this is our charity one, our Making a Difference one. So it's in the mini catalogues. Obviously I have the English one here, and it's pretty much, yeah, it's on page 4 and 5. And this one it's raising money to support organisations around the world where there's food is there's a lack of food going on. So from each kit, we're donating in pounds, £2.50. In the UK, £2.50, and for Europe, €3 per kit. I don't know what that is in other countries, in other markets. I'm sure somebody will comment and let us know what it is. But I just wanted to share it because it's gorgeous. Buy one for you and one to give away. So this is it. It's a lunch bag, which is lovely. It's vinyl on here. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of a shine that'll give, there you go. So it's vinyl there, but this is fabric. But inside it is wipe clean. So, you know, we are talking a lunch bag here, so it's going to keep stuff safe. Now, somebody said, will the mini cut and emboss fit? And I'm going to say, well, yes, but it would be all wibbly and nobody wants that. But yeah, I suppose you could put it in with the handle sticking out and just do up that. So if you are a crafter on the go, that could work. But yeah, it's a lunch bag and it's lovely, it's charming. I mean, it's ideal going in the winter catalogue, you know, great Christmas gift. And obviously a card kit as well. So it's making 3 each of 3 designs. I'll show you a little bit more detail. I'm not going to make it. But it's a brilliant gift. It would be a perfect gift for somebody who wants to have a go at some crafting or some card making, but believes that they're perhaps not creative. I believe everybody's creative. You just need the opportunity to have a go at it, and this is a great way to start. So we've got envelopes with matching colours on the inside. Ooh, these are embossed. Oh, am I going to be able to show that? Yes. So we've got embossed detail here. So that is sort of leafy filigree, like a herringbone sort of pattern. And then, I don't know what you'd call that, sort of floral with florally bits inside. So, but that's quite cool that they're embossed. I like those. Those are lovely. And they're nice quality, nice and thick. Nice thick cards. And then we've got all our languages. Well, French, German and English anyway. That's the... oh, actually, maybe we... yeah, those are the English and German. Is that Dutch then? Ooh, that's interesting. It's all exciting today, finding out all sorts of stuff. So we've got English and German. And then that must be French and Dutch. Yeah, that is, isn't it? How fabulous. So they're already done for you. So it's kind of this really is a great kit for somebody because there's no stamping in here. More die cut shapes. There. Some more, which I'm guessing are the banners. Are there 2 sheets of that, or is that just really thick? I can't tell if that's 1 or 2. Those are really thick then. Oh, no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's 1 sheet of those. Gosh, those are very thick. Wow, very thick. The instructions, of course, and then little pearls for the outside and glue. So what a brilliant kit. So who can you think of that would love one of these? My mum might be getting this. She might get this for Christmas. But yeah, I could think of loads of people who would love that. What a fantastic gift. And yeah, supporting charity. So like I say, it's a really quick video. I really wanted to just give you a little bit more detail on this. It's so pretty. And obviously Stampin' Up on the back. That is not the vinyl. But yeah, and proper sturdy. That's well stitched, really well stitched. Love it. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.